unhealthy conditions such as discrimination, stigma, burnout, and exposure to risks such as harassment can affect mental health at workplaces. This is according to Dr. Florence Jaguga.
And the aim of being here is to celebrate the World Mental Health Day.
She warns that if not addressed, the conditions can lead to poor performance and sometimes loss of life, given that an average Kenyan worker spends more than half their day at work.
About 1 in 4 people, which is 25%, experience mental health illnesses. And what we are saying is that it doesn't just happen outside there in the communities, it's also happening in the institutions where we work, whether those are hospitals, whether they are banks, in parliament, in all different workplaces, mental health issues are there.
If you don't have good social support, if you are not able to get people who will talk, you will be able to talk to, and people who will understand you are vulnerable, and you will be able to get a mental illness.
Mental ill health survivors at the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital recount their different ordeals that led to them seeking medication to mitigate its severity. They say toxic work environment led to some seeking solace in drug and alcohol abuse. Some fell into depression.
At first, sikuwa nimejikubali that I'm sick, but when I came to seek help from the psychiatrist, then I came to realize that addiction is also a mental illness that is affecting so many of us outside here. The addiction leads to unaran mad kabisa.
Yale ambaye alishangia niwe mgonjwa ni masaibu ya nyumbani na shida. Nimekuwa nikikunywa dawa, nimepata madaktari wananipatia ushauri, na mpaka hapa nimefika ni kujikubali. One thing you can do is to jikubali jinsi ulivyo.
Nice. Flagging off the march within Eldoret City to create awareness, the Chief Executive Officer of MTRH, Dr. Philip Kiro, says 7 out of 10 patients checking into the facility suffer from mental ill health. The figure is worrying, he says.
It's a sign of, we feel as a society in African culture that when you have a mental issue, people feel that you are weak. But it's an aspect that we need to come out, that if you have a challenge, if you have suicidal thoughts, if you have any challenge that you feel is affecting you, but you want to hide it, we want to encourage everybody to come out so that we have better mental health for ourselves.
The World Mental Health Day, whose commemoration started in 1992, encourages efforts to support those battling ill health. Partnering with the Eldoret National Polytechnic, the MTRH creates awareness to youths between 19 and 24 who have easy access to drug and alcohol. George Misati, Hubs Media, Eldoret City.